This is my trusty friend Spirit. First, we're gonna get a table. Follow me. So with the table,
I think it's right there on the end, remember? Over here.
I think it.
Are you able to pick that up for me?
What is it?
Put it in there?
This?
That table? No, the one you just had your hand on.
This is it. Got it, bro.
Nice.
Ooh.
You got it?
I got it, folks. Look how big this table is. Massive.
Massive. Oh.
Let me just sit around first. Sit around in my chair. Whee! Whee!
And now what is it that you wanted from here?
I want toys.
Alright, let's go over to the toy section.
Okay.
Hang on, Spirit, he's walking fast.
Looking at some movies.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, where's the toy section? That is not. Is it in here? Check in here, see if it's in here. Oh,
Okay.
toys in here. Find any of this stuff? Squishy snack. Squishy, folks. I don't see it in this one. Chuck. This other one. Now you see toys. Here it is, folks. Massive. I think there's one thing in here. Only one dinosaur in here.
You sure that's the one you want, or did you want to get one of these over here?
Folks.
Tough decision?
Yeah. Don't bite at me ear. Okay, I'll just get the, I'll get the red one. I haven't tried the red one out.
When you want to show, we can make another video when we get back to the house and you can show them what's inside.
Look, got this. It's red. Okay.
Okay.
Look at the movies again.
Well, let's go ahead and tell them goodbye, and we'll catch up with everybody later.
Alright, bye everybody. We'll catch up later. Bye.